Using linking cables. Cables are available in 1, 3, 6, and 10-foot sections and are great to use when jumps are needed without having to cut and splice. Here's a couple examples of when you'll use them. Running from the controller to the first light of the main run. Running from a Y or line splitting cable after the controller to a separate feature, such as a dormer. You will also use linking cables between mainline lights and gable returns. We will cover different methods of hiding and routing the wire in our management module. One of the common things you'll see when using linking cables is you'll drop them in, let's say under an eave, and you'll need to merge them into your main track lighting to continue the main line. Sometimes where you've ran your linking cable doesn't necessarily match up with your light outlet. It's important to remember that you can drop this in through a hole in the mounting track, or if you're using brackets, just slide it in the bracket and then run it in line until you get to the beginning of your light area. Then connect it and push it in. So it is okay just to loop the wire back, your beginning point of the lights, connect it with your linking cable, then run it back to wherever the position is that you have ran from your eaves. You will need to plan ahead and have the hole drilled for the plug through the track before you mount it, so you can run the wire through into the track and then snap the track into place.